Mr. Go.
Thanks.
Mr. Lenny.
How are you? Hey. Gentlemen.
Innovative design, distinctive roar of these engines, superior quality of its motorcycles.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, member of media. This is Partner, distinguished guests.
Can you tell us why you're dressed like this, Leslie? You're happy, so this is your. Do you usually every day goes like that?
Boy.
Boy, where are you, boy? Please give our two gentlemen a big round of applause. Okay, now you are wearing this because you're happy. Are you going for DGR tomorrow? Most probably. Can you tell us? Can you tell us a bit more about DGR? Is this your first time doing DGR and stuff like that?
Yeah, this is my first time to join the DGR, so I have to find the outfit first and the motorcycle.
Okay. So wait. There is an outfit. Okay, this one I didn't know. So there is an outfit. What kind of outfit? Wear slippers or what's the dress code?
You can use short and slippers, but not in the DGR. DGR is something like a smart casual with a pin. What do you call it?
Dapper.
So I go back tomorrow. What can I find for the dapper?
Okay. So it's a bit formal, bit dapper, suit, that kind of thing, lah. Smart. Oh wow! Yes, you are. Plus introducing the Classic 350. Okay, we're gonna give another. Gentlemen, can all of you look in front first for some photos? All right. Can we look to the right now?